Today, I'm going to show you how to add links to your DropInBlog blog posts. In your post editor, highlight the text you want to add a link to. We'll go ahead and highlight DropInBlog over here. Then, in the menu that pops up, click on this link icon. Then, a pop-up window will appear with the following options. The option to add a link to the highlighted text. You can link to websites. Click on this file icon to open the file manager and link to images and PDFs. Under text over here, change the link text, which will be the text you previously highlighted. And under rel, select the appropriate rel attribute. When you click the drop-down over here, you'll be able to see that you have many options for this. These rel attributes are used to communicate with search engines. They explain the relationship between the page where the link is placed, your blog post, and the page or element it is linking to. Depending on the relationship between your site and the source it's linking to, you can select one of the relationship attributes from the drop-down list. You can also combine two or more attributes. For example, no opener and no refer, to better inform search engines about the nature of your links on your site. We also have the option to set the link to open up in a new window. A common practice is to check this box if your link leads to an external website, or leave it unchecked if you're linking to another page on your site, such as another post. We'll go ahead and add a link to the URL field. And once you've done that and selected the rel attribute you want, click on Insert over here to apply your link settings. And this is what it should look like. To remove a link, simply click on it, then click on this unlink icon. You can actually customize your site's links from your DropInBlog admin account in the code and layout page. Simply navigate to the advanced section once you're there. And under design customizations is where you'll be able to change your link color. Clicking in the input box will open up a palette of suggested colors, but you can also enter the hex value of the color you want to use, which we'll do right now. Go ahead and paste it, and you'll see it change in the preview. You can also choose to have your links underlined or not. Clicking inside the drop-down under Link Underline, you'll be able to see Inherit. If you leave the default option Inherit, all links on your blog will take on the style of your main websites. There are many other ways you can customize your blog from within this section, like changing your primary font family or the choice whether your blog images have frames or not, amongst other things. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, go ahead and click on Save Design Customizations on the bottom of the page. Once confirmed, we can go ahead and go back to our post that we were editing earlier. And here in the post editor as well, you'll be able to see your new link color applied. Let's go ahead and save our post. Once confirmed, we can click on View Post over here on the right. Your blog post will be opened up in a new tab. Here is your blog post. And here is your new link with its new link color applied. And that is how you add links to your DropInBlog blog posts. Happy blogging!